Right, good morning everyone, or afternoon, whichever it may be. Now, I found some bits and pieces that I'd forgotten we had. This is the very last, these are the bags. It's a canvas bag that we sold. Jennings644 Boutique, I'm filming, Laugh Out Loud, Whoopsie Daisy, Think Outside the Box, Silly Ole, Elegant, Bling Bling, Handmade Flowers, Grand Raffle, Customer of the Month, Jennings644 YouTube, and Shabby Chic. So it's and that's one of the flowers I made. It's the very last bag. It's new, it's never been used. I found it in a cupboard and I thought, you know what, put it up for sale, somebody might want it, and you can always gift some goodies in there to somebody else. So if you're interested in the canvas bag, that's £4. Please let me know on this video, and it's first come first serve. So £4 for the bag, and it's the very last one we have. So that's that. I'm selling some bits and pieces off, mainly because I don't need them. I need to clear things out, and so this was one of the large oval plaques that I made, and it's got this beautiful acrylic bling on it. So a £5. If anybody's interested, it's a £5. I just need to clear out and start afresh. We're coming up to a new year. There'll be lots of videos out on things, and I need to clear the shop and get the new stuff in. Okay. So £5 for that oval, large oval pink wall hanging or wall plaque. That's a good deal, is that? Then this one that I did as a tutorial as well. It's got that beaded trim on. It's just a little plaque. You can just put somebody's name across there. And £3.50 for that one, if anyone's interested. It is, you know, it's nice. It's gorgeous, actually. So yeah, £3.50 for that if anyone's interested. Just having a clear out. Do you remember when I made the bag? It's the little, to show you how to make the bag. All slow stitch and everything, so it's got all the little trim in, little pearl trim. It's on metal, actually, metal trim, but it's got pearls in it. Beautiful long pearl chained handle, so you can even take that off if you want. So it can carry your phone or whatever you want to carry in it. And again, £4 for that. That's a good deal for that. I just, you know, I can't keep housing everything I make. Not them, that's another project. Then I've found this. It is brand new. It was put in a drawer and I've forgotten all about it. It's an apron with a big pocket at the front. It's made out of that nylon stuff, but with like a coating of cotton on the front, so it's washable. And I can't really show it. It's just got lots of wildflowers on it. And I think it's one size. Yeah, there's no size on it. It just fits anybody. Okay? So if you're interested in that, that one, again, is £4. And that's a good deal for what it is. But I can't house them anymore. I'm needing the space for all the new stuff that's going to be coming in after Christmas. Okay? So £4 for the apron. What else have I got? What else? Oh, these, for that little, you get your little box and you've got all your little trimmings inside, different size beads, and these for stick pins and whatnot. And that's £3 if anyone's interested in that. Because that's, I mean, I have to pay I have to charge what I paid for it. In fact, I'm going to top that up actually, because I did use a couple of bits out of there. I'm being cheeky, aren't I? But I don't need it. I don't want it. I've got tons of this stuff. Tons. So let me just get I mean, look. See, when I say I've got tons, I've got tons. So let's just put some of these in. Tiny wee little flowers. Just top that up. You know what? I'm just going to top it up with bits and pieces, because I really don't need it. Look, see, you've loads of goodies in there, loads. Come on, get out, mate. All right. And that's £3 for that. Okay. So that's that. I have loads of projects that I'm going to be starting in the new year. What else is there? Now, I can't get that down just yet. I have what I've made out of really thick canvas. You know, it's like got different pouches in, and it's got 1, 2, 3 layers that you hang on the... I've hung mine on the curtain rail, but I don't use it anymore. There's nothing wrong with it. It just needs a good home. So if anybody wants that, I'll try and take a picture of it. Hang on. Right, I've took a picture so you'll just see it. Now, it does spread out so it's straight. It doesn't, it's not that shape. It is actually layers like that. 3 layers of pockets. And if anyone's interested in that, again, £3 for that. And it's canvas, a really good quality canvas. So, it's not being used, as you can see, because I made the big one for the back of the door. Now, I'm working through boxes and bags all over the place, and I've come across some things I bought and forgot to share. And that was these. These are the paints. They are pearlized paints. I can't remember when I bought them, but they were in the box, in a bag. So, I mean, I've got to go through all of them. I've got boxes and bags all over the place, so what I'm going to do is go through them all. I am actually swapping rooms around. And we're going to have one room purely just for the shop items, and then this room is going to be the craft room, which will just house all my craft materials. But I'm going to it's really hard to show you. I've shown you all the jars and that. Hang on, I'll show you again. As you can see, these are all my jars, and they're getting more and more the more I purchase. And I purchase all of this to do the crafting with, as well as selling for the shop. So I need to separate my stuff from the shop stuff. And then eventually, like I say, it'll be organised more. I've organised this room 10 times in the last 5 years, I think. But I'm getting there. It just takes time, obviously. So as I'm coming across things, those can go on my paint stand, and I'll be able to use them now I've got them. Now I've remembered I've got them. This is going to be a kit, and it's the thick felt, as you can see, 4mm thick felt. And I'm going to do that with some goodies. So I've got some goodies at the side of me that, again, I keep finding these oddments. This is what was in the other kit. And that tassel, you just pull that string and the tassel appears properly. So I don't know what you want to do with it, but these are loose things that I no longer need. I've got plenty of it all. There, another big piece of that crocheted stuff, and people might as well make use of it. Some of that crochet trim, you know, it's going cheap because I don't need it. I have plenty. And why not pass it on? And somebody else can make something beautiful from it. And then we've got some of the Nottingham lace here. So this is just a random kit, but it's got the thick felt in. Remember, you can do the slow stitching on the thick felt. I am going to be putting some material with this. There's some of this, which is the small bobble trim. Beautiful trim, that. I love working with that. Oh, it's got, I found these. So another pack of those. Sticky back. Well, and I found this one. Isn't that gorgeous? So that's going in it. You know me, I'll shove in what I can. Then we've got this gorgeous braid, Chinese braid. Now, if you want this, you're going to have to jump at it quickly. I'm just going to take a picture. There we are, we're back. Then I found this, so I thought, well, it's kind of like the same colours, like a taupe colour. That's a nice big fat quarter there. And fabric. Then I found this one. Oh, one of those needs cutting out. You just trim all that off. Then the stretch one. Gorgeous material is this. I found a piece of this as well, which is that soft, super soft fur. It's gorgeous. I don't know what you want to do with it. It's up to you. Then let me see. What else did we get? Oh, I found another piece of this one, which is that beautiful, nice linen. So that's going with it. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Then I found one of these. One of those. One of those. That one. Just keep hanging it. Oh, look. I know it's in the shop, but I'm going to take it from the shop. But won't that go nice with it? Look at that. That'll definitely go nice with it. And I'm going to put this one in as well. Oh, and I'll put that in. So we've got that bead. Nice bit of colour in there. And then I'm going to add this one as well, which is the flower one. So I'm also going to include that one. If they've not sold for a certain length of time, I try and sell them off. And then I'm also going to include that one, which is that chunky bracelet. But these can be separated. I mean, it's just a random pack of beads and that, but it's got some nice gold beads in there. So we'll add that into this kit. One of those, don't know what you'll do with it. Oh, them leaves need to be put somewhere. And then I came across these, some crystals. So it's just a random kit, folks. That's a nice little necklace heart. Heart necklace, should I say. I'm just clearing out. And then what have we got? This one. And then finally, I'm going to put that one in. Look at that. It's roses. All put together to make a bead. And, yeah. If anyone's interested. Oh, wait a minute. I've just found something else. Just found something else. I've just found that. Beaded trim. Let's see, what else have we got? And one of those. We've got a black cat as a little pendant. If you're interested in that, let me know. Come to the shop and go grab it while you can. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.